Mannerheiminaukio, Mannerheimiplatsen 7, Kokkola, Finland, 4 versions of 325 dirhams. Several elevators here are say in Finnish and Swedish, that's kind of nice. 4 floors. Built in 1989, turning 30 years old in this year, 2019, H65786. It's going to be inspected in 2021. 4 floors. Modern driven. Not full memory. Used to be the old alarm phone. Main emergency phone.
Yeah.
There's just an alarm button there.
Yeah.
Here it says 1989. 88. Late 1988 and completed in early 1989. So this is early 1989. Another ride.
Yeah. Inspekti, vaikka ju inspektant med det på autossa on nowadays gratis.
There it also said 1988. It's very fresh here. Here it says 1988 and 1989.
That's
it.